Hearts Alive Village Cat Café is located on South Rainbow in Las Vegas, Nevada. For a $20 donation, visitors can enjoy 1 hour with the cats, who can be found in various cubbies and hiding spots around the cafe. Donations go towards microchipping, vaccinations, the clinic, pet food bank, and more. Visitors are welcome to enjoy a snack and pick up one of the many toys located around the cafe to play with the cats. A few ambassadors will stay at the cafe for extra care and attention from staff. Most of the cats, however, are adoptable. Some of the cafe's residents just want a nap, but the cats will decide when you've earned their attention. Whether it's during live music or during a moment of quiet, the Hearts Alive Cat Cafe offers a sanctuary for kitties looking for a home and a place for humans to connect with their feline friends and each other. You can learn more on their website, heartsalivevillage.org.